The CDC has an urgent warning tonight. The deadly outbreak of the coronavirus could continue into the next year. A 15th case has now been confirmed in the U.S. The patient is quarantined in San Antonio, Texas. The patient was among a group of evacuated people from China. Officials in China now say there have been nearly 60,000 cases and close to 1,400 deaths. Greg Argos is at Philadelphia International Airport tonight with more on the hometown effort against this virus. Greg.
And Yuki, right now we're hearing that a major airline, United, has suspended its flights to China through at least this April. All the while, a Philadelphia-based company is rushing its coronavirus vaccine to market. Thursday, the Center for Disease Control confirmed the 15th case of coronavirus in the United States, as more than 60,000 cases have been verified worldwide.
These viruses don't have any national origins or boundaries.
Which is why Dr. Joseph Kim's team at Inovio is working feverishly to get their vaccine to market. His company is based in nearby Plymouth Meeting, and researchers have already developed a vaccine for COVID-19, the official name of the virus.
It took us about 3 hours to actually make and construct our vaccine.
That's because Inovio uses special DNA technology to create its vaccines. Once the Chinese government publicly posted the genome sequence for the coronavirus on January 11th, his team took that data and began their work.
We just take the DNA sequence that encodes for the virus, and we can translate that into a vaccine product in a matter of hours.
Unlike traditional vaccine development, there is no need to use the real virus, which cuts times down dramatically. But now the human testing phase has to begin, which Dr. Kim hopes will start soon, both in the U.S. and in China.
That human trial will start early summer this year. Inovio is working with the assumption with the worst case scenario.
Now that worst case scenario could mean the potential for millions of doses of this vaccine. Dr. Kim says his company is working with manufacturers to make sure they can supply those vaccines after human testing is complete. I'm live here at Philadelphia International Airport. Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Greg, thank you.